You went home and got it? Take it off!
Even if I live far away, I'm just going to get it.
Take it off! Are you landing? Just as I'm saying, take it off. Just as I'm saying, take it off. Freaking Burning Man, man. Da-dung, dung, da-dung, dung, dung, da-dung, dung, dung. Take it off, landing. Okay, now I'm taking off. Fucking guy.
Timer cleared.
Gas are coming out.
It's alright. I saw him fly.
Flaps up.
He flew well.
He's coming out.
I know. That motor sounds good.
He's up. See you guys in Santa Claus.
It'd be nice if you yell when you're launching, but please announce that you're launching. I had no idea who was going up.
That was the mature plane.
Not your fault.
Well,
Low pass
things say something.
from the right. Not as bad as last week. Oh my God, last week was horrible. It never got above 45 degrees. Most of the day it was under 40.
Nice.
Low pass from the right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Hello, real plane. It's a Citabria, or no, it's not. That's a Citabria. Yeah, too slow for a decathlon. No, that's thousands of feet up.
That dude is a big plane compared to his. So, your eyes are fooling you.
Low pass from the right.
30 seconds.
Stay low. Okay, I can go up. Spear that little Zed.
Shunk.
Not mine. Mine spears others' planes.
That little wing you have is fast, man.
10, 9,
I could make it faster, but I feel like
7, 6,
Well, it's already pretty fast, especially considering what it is.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, landing from the right.
Landing! Hold on, Robert, hold on!
I already told him I'm landing. You didn't hear me? Jesus, dude.
Way too long.
Now you can take off. Because I'm landing. Take it off, landing.
what's that big gas?
Go, Robert. You're good. Go. All right, runway clear.
70 NPSC I have in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's bigger than the plane.